What? My name is Saria. Today I want to tell a story about the goose that laid a golden egg. Once upon a time, a farmer had a goose that laid one golden egg every day. The farmer sold the eggs, became richer and richer. But one day, the farmer grew greedy. He wanted all the golden eggs at once. He killed the goose, hoping to find lot of gold inside. But the goose was just like any other goose. The farmer was sad. He lost his goose and his golden eggs. He learned that greedy can ruin everything. So today we learn, don't be greedy, be happy with what you have. Thank you for watching.